This is going to be rhythmic equations 2. So the math is going to get a little harder on this one, but not much harder. We're going to have rests on this one. Again, in the top left corner, put your name. My first name again is Mr. Last name is Ostro. In the upper right-hand corner, put today's date. And let's read our instructions. Combine all notes and rest values to complete the following rhythmic equations. And underneath it, we have an example here of a half note plus a quarter note equaling 3. And then below that, a half rest plus a whole note equaling 6. Now, where do we get that? We get all of that information. We're able to decode it by looking at the stuff over here on the right, which I will highlight for you. And just like before, you could write the word key, I guess, if you want, up here. That way you know that you are going to use the highlighted information here in order to answer the questions below the line. So the first question is a quarter note rest, which we know looks like that, gets 1. So we're going to write 1 plus, and we saw this whole note, so we'll find it up here again. We know it gets 4. And then you write 5. Number 2, this time we have a half rest, and be careful because you notice right underneath it is its brother here, and that's the whole rest. And they look very similar, but notice where the line is. So this is going to be 2 plus 2, which of course equals 4. 1 plus 2 plus, here's our quarter rest again, 1 equals 4. On the right, we're going to see our brother here. This is going to be our whole note rest, so we're going to write 4 plus, here's our quarter note, plus, there's our quarter rest again, plus, there's our half rest, notice the line, and then it sits on top of it. Half a gentleman leaves his hat off, which looks like this one, and a whole gentleman takes his hat off, which looks like that one. So that's going to be 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's a half note on number 10, plus, and there's our half rest or whole rest. That's right, it's our half rest. Plus 1, plus 1. There's our quarter rest. So 2, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to do one more. That's going to be 4 plus 1 plus 1. So that'll be 6. Below this, you are going to answer, and of course in the video you could always pause it if I went too fast and just look at the ones that you need to do. But I want you to complete number 4. Oops. I want you to complete number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All of these should be complete, and I want to see your work underneath each rhythm. So that means go ahead and show me that you understand what the values add up to.